On this episode, we're going to be covering two things. First, I got my wheels back, so I'm excited about putting it back on my M5. And then also I attended a event hosted by Collective Car Culture. So my wheels have been in the shop for almost a full month. Initially, we planned to have it there for about 2 weeks because we had to take them apart and have the lips polished separately. So what I'm going to do is after I install it, we'll talk about the whole process and why it took 4 weeks to get the job done. But let's go ahead and get my wheels on first. So we got this side done. Let's go on the other side and put on the other two wheels. So all four wheels are on. I'm gonna go ahead and fire it up. I just finished charging it, so let's hear that V10. So the wheels are on and the car needs a wash. It's been in the garage for the last 4 weeks and it's got a lot of dust. So on the next episode, I'm gonna give it a good detail, take the car out and get some good shots so I can share it on the next vlog. The initial plan was to get the project done in about 2 weeks, but we came across some problems, so we had to add an additional 2 more weeks. So in the end, it took about a month for the wheels to be refinished. My top 3 picks came down to these 3 colors. I eventually chose the one in the middle. It's a subtle gunmetal color, but little did I know it was going to cause me problems. After the first session, it looked good from far away, but when I looked a little closer, I started to notice some discoloration. And this is called outgassing, which is a contamination in the pores of the aluminum, which causes the discoloration. And this happened throughout the wheels, so we had to shoot this color again several times. My advice from Velocity Powder Coating was to maybe pick another color because the problem may lie in the powder for the initial color that I picked. I ended up going with a slightly darker shade, and after they did their base run and clear coat, the results were a lot better. So we proceeded to do the rest of the faces in this color. So I was excited to get the call when I was notified that my wheels are ready for pickup. The event is a toy drive to benefit kids during the holidays. So around this time of the year, I usually attend at least 1 or 2 events and bring my share of donations to support this cause. I was lucky enough to find a car wash that was just down the street from the event. I knew my car was going to get dirty when I drove down from the hour drive, so instead of wiping it down with it dirty and dusty, I decided to use this car wash to give it a good power wash and rinse out all the dirt. And then when I got to the event, I was able to wipe it down and get it ready for the show. I have a quick update. It's been about a day and I noticed that my car was sitting a little low on one side. So I checked the tires and noticed that the rear passenger tire is starting to lose some air. So I'm gonna take it back to Velocity Powder Coating and have them check on where the leak might be. So that's gonna do it for this episode. Thanks for joining and we'll see you on the next one.